Yo, what's good, traders? Hope you're all having a great time. It's Raphael back at the charts again. This week so far was great. I took 2 trades on gold. First one was a loss. The second one was a great trade. I got stopped out this night while I was sleeping at around 1,783. Yeah, this was my stop. I was waking up a couple of times during the night time, and then I was checking the charts and it was moving in my favor, so I was titering my stop, and then I got stopped out at around 1,783. Yeah, why I took the trades, guys. Let's start with the trade from Tuesday. Tuesday I took a loss. This was the first trade that I took. Overall, we were in a bullish trend channel, so I was looking for some bullish confirmation before stepping into the game. On Monday, we had a little bit consolidation, guys. As you can see, market was just slashing around near the bottom of the trend line, and yeah, a couple of stops got 100 over here, and then the market was going up and down. Buyers and sellers were pretty much battling around break even, up and down, nothing to get crazy about. But then gold tricked me into the market and then just turned around against me. I was holding the whole day, but I could have exited earlier, but yeah, I was just taking my stop and lost around 1.5% or something like that. And then the next day gold came down to the next zone of liquidity, and then yeah, I was checking, I think, the 5-minute chart. Yeah, I saw that clear bearish structure, and then I saw that liquidity grab with a big push. So this was, as soon as I saw that the structure was broken, we had the lower high over here, then we had the lower low over here, but then it got violated. This was the time when I was entering the market. I had my stop around 1762, just below the low, and then I was watching and see what was going on, and I saw that the market is continuing in that bullish momentum, bullish structure. So I was putting some more positions on the table, and then I was, as soon as I saw, okay, now we are safe, I think around, and when the market pushed to the next high, I was moving my stop to 1766 to maximize my profits and to not give back too much, you know. So when the market did that next push, it was before the session ends, it was consolidating over here, as you can see. I was pulling my stop to 1,779, and then overnight it took off. It took off a little bit more, so I was waking up, checking the trade, and then I was moving my stop to 1,783. I had my overall target around big figure 1,800. This was my target on that trade. But yeah, it went against us, came down again, and now it looks like bulls are taking control of the market again. I will wait 20 more minutes and see what's going on during the New York session. Maybe we'll find another bullish entry, but for now the week looks like we are about to finish another profitable week. With last week plus this week is around 300 grand. For the month March and April, we are up around 1.3 million, and for the whole year, started my trading on the 17th of January. We're up 2.1 million. Yeah, it's time to make another withdrawal. I think I'm going to handle that today. Yeah, it was awesome, guys. Awesome trading week, and let's see, maybe we see some more bullish action. I really think that we are going to hit the top of that bigger trend channel soon. So my highest target was around 1,815, somewhere between 1,800 1,815. This was my main target. Let's see, maybe we can get another good bullish entry and maybe ride this thing to the top. Let's see. I wish you all a profitable trading week. And yeah, if you need some help, check the links in the description and get in touch with me, guys. I wish you all the best. Peace out. Every time I why you fighting in love?